Welcome to Let's Talk channel with Josie. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for subscribing, and please give me a thumb up and hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to make a black eyed peas cake. So to make this recipe, I will need a bag of black eyed peas, as you see. This is the black eyed peas that I have pre-soaked. Need onion, to need ground pepper, chicken bouillon. Also going to add some leftover chicken stock. I'm going to use some empty clean can. I'm going to pour the beans. I will pour it back in a pan. Just remove the skin. After you remove all the skin from the beans, pour it back inside the blender and add 1 cup of water. I'm only using half of the onion. I'm going to add the onion. And then I'm going to put a cover on it. I'm putting it on high speed. Now in the black eyed peas is well blended, as you can see. It's nice and it's smooth. This is the right texture. Now pour it back in the pan. Now add half tablespoon bouillon. Add 1/4 teaspoon pepper. Two tablespoon oil. Mix it together very nicely. I'm going to add some chicken stock. And I'll blend it all together. The next step is to get a big pan and put, I would say, like 2 cups of water in the pan. Turn your stove to medium. Taste your beans mixture. Taste it to make sure that it tastes the way you like it. Put more seasoning if you need more seasoning, or put a little salt or a little pepper if you need it. With this black-eyed peas cake recipe, you can add fish, you can add shredded chicken, you can add beef. Okay, now take and just pour some in there. So I'm making 4 cans of black-eyed peas cake. So now I'm going to take this can and I arranged the black-eyed peas cake can inside the boiling water. I'm going to cover it up and let it cool for about 30 minutes. The black-eyed peas cake is ready, so I'm going to remove it. So now I'm going to shift the can upside down. This is the black-eyed peas cake. I hope you will make it in your home, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching Let's Talk channel with Josie. Thank you for your support. Please subscribe and hit the like button, and also leave me comments and I will answer your comments. Thank you. Bye bye.